Hello, folks. Welcome back to Weekend Watch Repair. My name is Adam, and thank you so much for joining me here today. This is the video where we are going to announce the winner of this particular Pogue, which we are giving away to celebrate the channel reaching 10,000 subscribers. Quite honestly, something I never envisioned. Really honestly, I never envisioned it when I started uploading videos, and we're just about a year into this, just a little over a year of me having a YouTube channel, which is the last thing I ever thought I would do. And ironically, the watch we're giving away at 10,000 subscribers after a year is the same watch that, not the exact same one, but it's a Pogue, just like the very first watch ever shown on the channel. And what a journey it's been. I look back at that original video and I cringe. I think, the quality of the content has gotten better, although I'm still trying to improve every video, but major difference from the first video till now. But I find it ironic that, we're doing a Pogue giveaway to celebrate it really after 1 year. And the first video we ever did was a Pogue. So just doing some function testing here on this watch. It has been on a winder since being completed and is keeping just impeccable time. The winner is really going to enjoy it. It's a runner, just doing great all around. I'm going to show some beauty shots here because I'm pretty proud of how this thing turned out. I think it looks just fantastic. Again, congratulations to whomever wins this, which we'll announce here in a moment. But thank you all to everyone who's left comments and subscribed. There's been a lot of engagement with the video, and I really appreciate it. Yeah, here's a close-up shot of that dial. I think it looks gorgeous. Proof or not, that thing is just stunning. I love this watch. I think it looks just great. So, we'll get into the video here in just 1 second. Actually, one thing I wanted to do before we did that is just kind of take a look here. And again, we referenced that original video on the channel. Here's the Pogue we're giving away, and here is the one that was rebuilt as the first video ever on the channel. And I wear this watch regularly. I love it. It's still doing great. And I just thought it'd be neat to show these two together. And one thing I thought I'd try, if you ever had a Speedmaster, a lot of people post pictures of Speedmasters. They call it Speedy Tuesdays. I want to do a thing called Two Pogue Tuesday. This should be a thing, folks. We need to make it a thing. Get two Pogues, wear them both. If anyone says anything, they don't know anything. So anyways, the winner of this watch, make sure you check the package. There's going to be a few little goodies in here. The original dial and hands we're going to throw in there. And also, I'm just going to throw in a couple extra goodies. So just make sure you check the contents of the package and don't throw anything away. All right, folks, enough of me yammering on. Let's get down to the giveaway. So I have my desktop up here, and we'll go over here and just a little integrity check. Today is Sunday, March 24th. So we got that out of the way, day of the drawing. We're going to go ahead and copy the link to the video, and I'll come up here and post it in this YouTube random comment picker. We will disable replies, which will basically take anyone who left duplicate comments. It'll just leave one comment, one entry for them, and it'll remove my own comments. And I'm going to speed this up here because it took actually quite a while to tabulate all the comments. But okay, let's see who wins it. Congratulations, Robert Evans 214. Congrats, you have got a stunning watch on the way. So, Robert, per the contest rules, you've got 7 days to contact me at the email address you see on screen, weekendwatchrepair@gmail.com. Send me a screenshot of you logged into YouTube under the winning account name. Once received, we'll go through one additional step to verify your identity. Once all that's out of the way, we will get your watch shipped to you. Again, it'll be 100% free. I'll also provide you tracking, and if anyone reaches out to you wanting money or anything like that, it is not me. Don't fall for it. So again, Robert, reach out to me at that email address and we'll get you sorted out and your watch will be on its way to you. So congrats again. I know you're going to love it. But folks, that is the video. Congrats again to our winner. I am hard at work on the next watch now. It is a doozy. It's easily the most complicated watch I've ever done on the channel. or not on video for that matter. I'm waiting on some parts to show up, so it's going to take me some time, but I'm working through it. But until then, take care of yourselves, and we'll see you on the next one, folks.